Maximizing space in your home isn't just about making things look tidy. It's about unlocking the full potential of every square foot, transforming your living environment, and even increasing the overall value of your property. Whether you are preparing to sell, planning a renovation, or simply seeking a more organized lifestyle, smart storage solutions are an investment that pays off in comfort, aesthetics, and market appeal. Let's begin by considering the philosophy behind smart storage. At its core, smart storage is about efficiency, finding ways to use underutilized areas, creating multifunctional spaces, and reducing clutter. This doesn't necessarily mean adding more cabinets or shelves. It means choosing solutions that are tailored to your home's unique layout and your personal needs. One of the most overlooked areas for storage is vertical space. Many homes have high ceilings or tall walls, yet these areas are often left bare. By installing floor-to-ceiling shelving or cabinetry, you can dramatically increase your storage capacity without consuming precious floor space. In living rooms, wall-mounted shelves can display books, art, or collectibles, adding both function and style. In bedrooms, vertical closets or wardrobes make the most of every inch, providing ample room for clothing, linens, and accessories. Underutilized spaces often hide in plain sight. Take the area under your stairs, for example. This awkward nook can be transformed into a compact home office, built-in drawers, or even a cozy reading hideaway. Similarly, the space beneath beds is perfect for rolling bins or drawers, ideal for storing seasonal clothing, shoes, or spare bedding. In children's rooms, consider beds with integrated drawers or lofted designs that create play or study zones below. The kitchen is another area where smart storage can shine. Modern cabinetry offers a wealth of options, from pull-out pantries that make use of narrow spaces to lazy Susans and deep drawers for pots and pans. Custom organizers can turn a chaotic utensil drawer into a model of efficiency, while overhead racks or magnetic strips keep items like knives and spices within easy reach. Even the insides of cabinet doors can be utilized for hanging measuring spoons, lids, or cleaning supplies. Bathrooms often struggle with limited space, but clever solutions abound. Install floating shelves above the toilet or towel racks with built-in storage baskets. Use stackable bins under the sink to organize toiletries and cleaning products. Medicine cabinets with mirrored fronts combine storage and function, making small bathrooms feel larger and more luxurious. Hooks, caddies, and corner shelving can transform awkward spaces into practical storage zones. Smart storage isn't limited to the main living areas. Entryways and mudrooms are prime candidates for built-ins like cubbies, benches with hidden compartments, or wall hooks for coats and bags. These additions not only keep clutter at bay, but also create a welcoming, organized first impression, a feature that resonates strongly with potential buyers. Closets are another area ripe for improvement. Instead of a single rod and shelf, consider modular systems that allow you to customize your storage with drawers, shoe racks, and adjustable shelves. Add lighting to make items easier to find and showcase the closet's functionality. In smaller homes, transforming a closet into a mini office or hobby space can add value and versatility. Don't forget the garage and attic. These are often catch-alls for everything from holiday decorations to sports equipment, but with the right storage systems, they can be transformed. Ceiling-mounted racks, pegboards, and modular shelving create order from chaos. Clearly labeled bins make it easy to find what you need, and built-in workbenches add utility for DIY enthusiasts. Multifunctional furniture is another hallmark of smart storage. Ottomans with hidden compartments, coffee tables with shelves, and sofas with built-in storage are perfect for small spaces or open-concept layouts. Murphy beds or wall beds can turn guest rooms into home offices during the day, providing flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Dining tables with drawers or extendable leaves provide both storage and adaptability for entertaining. For those who crave a sleek, minimalist look, consider hidden storage. Built-in cabinets that blend seamlessly with walls, recessed shelving, or storage units tucked behind sliding panels keep belongings out of sight and maintain a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. In modern homes, these features are highly desirable, creating a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. Technology also plays a role in smart storage. Automated closet systems, motorized shelves, or app-controlled lighting add convenience and a touch of luxury. Smart labeling systems, using QR codes or digital inventories, help keep track of stored items, reducing the frustration of misplaced belongings. When it comes to increasing home value, smart storage is a selling point that's hard to ignore. Real estate agents often highlight custom storage solutions in listings, and buyers are drawn to homes that feel spacious, organized, and move-in ready. Built-ins, walk-in closets, and thoughtfully designed pantries can set your home apart, making it more attractive and functional. But smart storage isn't just about resale value, it's about quality of life. Clutter can be overwhelming, leading to stress and difficulty finding what you need. By investing in storage solutions that work for your lifestyle, you create an environment that supports your daily routines. Imagine a kitchen where every utensil has its place, a living room free of stray toys or magazines, or a bedroom that feels like a calm retreat. These benefits are immediate and lasting. As you plan your storage upgrades, consider your long-term needs. Families may require flexible systems that grow with children, while empty nesters might prioritize display space for heirlooms or hobbies. Consult with a professional designer or organizer if you're unsure where to start. Many experts offer advice tailored to your home's layout and your budget. Remember, maximizing space is an ongoing process. Start with one room or area, assess your needs, and choose solutions that reflect your style and priorities. Over time, these changes add up, creating a home that's not only more organized, but also more valuable. In summary, smart storage solutions are a powerful way to enhance your living space and increase your home's market appeal. From vertical shelving and underbed drawers to built-in cabinets and multifunctional furniture, the possibilities are endless. By thinking creatively and investing in quality storage, you unlock the true potential of your home, making it more beautiful, functional, and valuable for years to come.